I started off with trading college, just trading. I started doing trades, and I looked at a few programs, and I was having something like 90% losses. And I got an email from Lee saying, "What the hell are you doing?" Right? And I was like, "Oh, okay." So from that point, which was the earliest point, from not knowing what I was doing to then incorporating strategies like the out of sync strategy, that then turned my stats from 0 to 50-50 to 70 to now 80. I think when you look at success as a whole, you're looking at what makes someone successful to someone who's a failure, and those things can be described as discipline, motivation, practice, consistency in terms of what you want to learn, and the general desire. The strategies absolutely work. The coaches are absolutely brilliant. It's top marks for Trading College. I think it's one of the best programs on the market. Why do I trade the markets? Because I enjoy it. 10 out of 10.